Good morning, welcome to this video. Currently en route to Mount Temple. It is 4:15 a.m. so bright and early start. Catch you when we get there.
Well, I heard the earth would feel smooth if I could hold it in palm. On a sphere this big, those hills don't roar so tall. Maybe not.
Just rocked up to Marine Lake Road, just about ready to go. Let's do it. Just making our way up Sentinel Pass right now, 6 a.m. We've been going for about 45 minutes. Let's do it.
So I look up and I wonder,
Making our way up the first call on Temple. There's the top of Sentinel Pass, Valley of 10 Peaks. Been going for a little over an hour, so we're making pretty good time here. And yeah, check back in.
the hell can't wipe this smile from my face. Oh, the hell can't wipe this smile from my face.
Almost up at the first rock bound, looking down on the Valley of 10 Peaks. Mike is snapping away some shots down there. I'm getting after it too. It's looking pretty dang sweet out here. The alpenglow is just coming out. It's like 7 a.m. right now. Been going for almost 2 hours. Just making our way up the last few hundred meters here. Currently at 3,251 meters, so about 300 meters-ish left to climb. And we got some pretty sweet views. Check back in at the summit. Yep. Made it to the top. Went up to the summit, and now we're just chilling down here below the summit. We got Constellation Lakes, Moraine Lake, and that is where we started. Pretty stoked on making it to the summit. Just about time to head down now, so let's get after it.
Yeah. Karaoke in Tel Aviv. Empty show 2017. And I could rap you the record, just I would never sing. 20 minutes on stage, I played them.
Just got done with doing Mount Temple. Pretty stoked to check that one off the list. Didn't get too much interesting footage just with the GoPro, but yeah, here's some photos to get a bit of a better look at what we got up to.
You ain't know me to the sound check. I was at the mall and I still ain't got an outlet. Turning on my demons in the house pets. How blessed are we to be safe from the outset? And I ain't eating yet, but I can hear them saying grace. So really spent a whole lot of days on the debut. Made more tunes, but the crew play the same too. Yeah, I'm just happy that they came through.
But that is all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Feel like a dream. It's a dream, it's a dream, it's a dream.